Hi 4A and 4B. It is Wednesday today, April 15th. And we're going to start by checking your lesson review on page 347. So number one, why were the Rocky Mountains a barrier to travel and settlement? They divide the continent and have many peaks over 14,000 feet, which made travel and settlement very difficult. Number two, describe the meaning of each part of the word continental divide and how this relates to the meaning of the whole term. So number two, continental means of or about a continent, and divide means a division or a dividing line. So the continental divide divides rivers that flow west from those that flow east. Number three, which events occurred first? Women winning the right to vote in Wyoming or Lewis and Clark's journey? It was Lewis and Clark's journey. Happened long before the women had the right to vote. Number four, where is the South Pass? It's in the Rocky Mountains near where Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming meet. Number five, what religious group did many of Utah's first settlers belong to? The Mormons. And number six, why do you think some people were willing to face danger in order to settle in a new place, such as the West? The West offered new land, it offered mineral resources, and people were willing to chance something and try something new and have an adventure. And they were willing to take a risk to see what the future held for them in a new area. So really anything you had there would have been okay. All right, let's go back to pages 90 and 91 in your workbook. You guys were just sort of drawing your little pictures that went along with each of those Bitterroot Range of the Rocky Mountains. Lewis and Clark continue to record their adventure. You drew your picture next to the entry just as they did on their journey. So today you guys will be reading pages 348 through 349, which is read a cutaway diagram. You're going to do practice the skill 1 through 5 on page 349. Short answer is fine. You can see the covered wagon, and you can see the different parts of the covered wagon there in the diagram. It sort of labels them for you, and they've cut away parts of the wagon so that you can see it. So you'll answer those questions. Short answer. You don't have to write the question. You don't have to answer in a complete sentence. And then when we look at our workbook, again, we are looking at short answer for page 92. Number 4 might take a little bit more time to answer, but it says describe some similarities and differences between a stagecoach and a covered wagon. Even if you want to draw a chart, stagecoach, covered wagon, line in the middle, and list with, a bulleted list, that is okay with me. That will work. You want to continue working on your chapter 10 fill in the blank study guide. Remember, don't go forward with letter E, Mountain States today on page 4. We're going to review those answers on Friday. And remember, tomorrow is your Mountain States quiz. Locations, abbreviations, spelling, states, capitals, all of that. So please make sure that you're reviewing that information. Denver, Colorado, CO. Boise, Idaho, ID. Helena, Montana, MT. Salt Lake City, Utah, UT. And Cheyenne, Wyoming, WY. Those are our new states. So if you have any questions, reach out to me and let me know. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, 4A and 4B.